Hi everyone!
Hi.
Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to apply our Tim eye definer.
Begin by facing a window or a lamp and look into a magnified mirror. Using the felt tip marker, tilt your chin up so that you can look down into the mirror and see your whole eyelid. Holding the marker horizontally, place it on your lashes. Slide it up to press on that seam between your lid and lashes. As soon as you feel the coldness of the marker, release the pressure and move it along the rest of your eyeliner seam. What you're doing is creating a series of connected dashes to form a nice thin line right at your lash line. Use the tip of the marker when you get to the inner and outer corners of your eye. If it isn't perfect, don't worry. Just take a moistened Q-tip and remove any of the excess of the marker. Next, you're going to use the flat edge of an angled brush. Pick up just a little of the Tim Eye Definer powder and use your hand as a palette. Blend that powder into the brush. This will ensure that the dust doesn't fall below your lids. Now, using short sketching strokes, follow the marker line. The combination of the felt tip liner and the eye definer powder makes our lashes look fuller, and it's a more natural looking way to give our eyes definition. Thank you so much for watching.